Hello, my Capricorn Aquarius cusp sign. Let's have a quick monthly reading for you. Let's try and find out how the month of April 25 will be for you, my love. So, device, if you're new to my channel, do like, share, and subscribe to it. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading. And if you've been my regular viewer, thank you so much, my love, for being a part of Vibra to Live family. If you belong to my zodiac signs, darlings, the reading is already out. This is for my cusp babies. So, let's bifurcate the reading into three parts. First to the 10th, 11th to the 20th, and then from the 21st to the 30th. Apologies for that outside noise, but let's continue with your reading. Angels and spirit guides, first 10 days, please, for my darlings. Oh, beautiful. Love is in the air. Let's see what else can we have for you. Let's take these two. We begin with burden. Next is lovers, integration, and experiencing. Okay, darlings, you always have a choice. Okay, so my masculine energy, you may have a choice between yourself and another woman. If you're my feminine energies, avoid getting into a third party, because that will create a problem for a few, not for all. Integration and burden. I think there is an inner chaos which you are trying to settle down, and you just cannot have clarity as to how to deal with it. So please breathe, reflect, figure out where you are going wrong rather than putting the blame game on somebody else, is what it is trying to say. You are smart enough to handle the situations. Broaden your horizon, change your perspective. Finance flow is coming to you. Many of you will travel. For finance bit, yes, you can expect agreements coming. Okay, but I think you need to figure out. Just don't get swayed. Okay, and if you're carrying somebody else's burden, give it back to them. You're smart enough to handle. Okay, let them handle, because universe and angels will take care of them. Now let's come to the mid 10 days. That would be from the 11th to the 20th. Angels and spirit guides, mid 10 days, please. We have consciousness, beyond delusion, conditioning, rebel. Never ever share your weaknesses, my love. There is a possibility you might get distracted. Okay, that's the reason that choice is coming, because you're running behind a mirage, something like an illusion bit, and universe is asking you, gain clarity, ask, proof, use your logical brain. Don't get entangled, else that will not give you a good feedback. Okay, you have your power in you, but maybe situationally you might feel, okay, this is what people are trying to say, I should behave that. No, you have your own leadership, your individual qualities, so work on that. Rest, whatever you expect, everything will come to you. Now let's come to the last 10 days. That will be from the 21st to the 30th. Angels and spirit guides, last 10 days, please. We have celebration, traveling, flowering, slowing down. Take baby steps. Finance flow is coming in wherever you go. Success is embracing. Flowering, celebration, something related to pregnancy, adoption. In fact, good news is coming up. Reunions, whenever you think you need help, your friends are like blessing in disguise, they will guide you, is what it's trying to say. Ideally the last 10 days seem to be interesting, but I think you need to go slow. Take baby steps, don't rush. Okay, I think you might just get hyper. Avoid doing that. Now let's ask your angels what guidance would they like to give you for this month. Angels and spirit guides. Guidance, please. Beautiful. They are asking you, what do you desire? Your desires will turn into manifestation. Invoke your angels, let them know, and they will help you. Okay. If you are asking for something beautiful, they will definitely help you. But if you're asking something that's manipulative and that is against the universal law, they will not. But whatever your desires are over a period of time, it is working behind the scenes for you. So don't forget to thank them if whenever you ask. Now let's come to your love life. Okay, let's see. Angels and spirit guides. Guidance. We have the chaser, the sword, and the rose and paradise. So are you being with somebody who is codependent or someone who's got abandonment issues, or is it you? You need to work on that. Somebody is trying to tell you that stop being over possessive. Okay, there could be something related to power issues. Okay, and fear. Some revelations are coming up. Gain clarity, and once you do that, you will start enjoying each other's company. Maybe for a few there could be some healing could be required. Okay, in your relationships, there are counselors, there are healers. Please reach out to them, and after working on your toxicity, I think you deserve to be happy, and eventually happiness will embrace you. Now let's ask universe if there is anything specific coming up for you in this month. Angels and spirit guides, anything specific? Let's take the first one. Okay, let's go take these. Okay, let's take all three. Maybe there's going to be something. We have message of concern, false person, and message. Let's begin with false person. So the person, either the masculine or the feminine energy, is not showing their true colors, and maybe that is what your universe is reminding you. Play safe, be it at matters of heart or be at work. We have message of concern and message. Okay, so both are trying to say, do not ignore that message, be it through calls or text or mails, whatever it is. Just get a double cross check done, and there are experts as well. Nothing to be I'm not scaring you, but universe is just saying get a double cross check done now. Why take it for granted? So how should I sum up this month? Interesting. Okay, first of all, it is going to break that pattern for you, because you have been living in some illusion bit and you've been assuming. Okay, stop getting caught in any cobweb for that matter. Remember, you have your leadership quality. You cannot allow anybody to take advantage of you unless and until you are giving that power to somebody else. Happiness, celebration news, good news, everything is reaching out to you. You have a choice. It's up to you. If you are calm from within, that inner chaos, once it is cooled down, you can always manage the outer chaos. Your angels are asking you, whatever you manifest, it can turn into reality, provided you allow them and have faith in them. At the matters of heart, if you are dealing with energies where the person has had abandonment issues or control freak, you need to stay away. You need to heal yourself if it belongs to you. Remember, something good is coming up. What the universe is saying, a false person is definitely around you, so please be careful. Energies never lie. Whatever message is coming, please double cross check. So that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. Do hit the bell icon so you get notified for any such interesting videos I keep uploading, and I shall definitely see you soon. If this reading has resonated with you by any means, let me know in the comment section. But if you think it hasn't, no worries, my love. You don't have to take things to your heart. I shall see you soon in my next read. Have a wonderful month ahead, my love. Stay happy, stay blessed.